How much will 1000 RNDR token be worth in 2025? In this video I will answer this question and I will share my RNDR price prediction for 2025 with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for RNDR to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. RNDR is on place 54 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.4 billion. The coin is existent since 2021 and we saw the all-time high in 2021 in the bull market. And after we reached the all-time high in 2021, we saw this massive crash to lower levels, and after we came into this demand zone where we started this massive push to the upside, we found some support right here and consolidated, and then in the beginning of 2023 we started this bullish move and we continued with this very bullish trend, and we now also broke this supply zone to the upside. And from this supply zone we saw this move to lower levels, so it's technically strong and the chance that we see a bearish reaction is there. But we saw this bullish explosion and the weekly candle closed above the supply zone, which is a very bullish sign. And we already retested this supply zone, so the chances are that we now continue to move to higher levels. And if we now can continue this bullish move, then the first really interesting price target is this high right here at $6.6, because from this high we saw the beginning of this massive crash to the downside, and often over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we reach this kind of price target is very high, and often after reaching this highs a larger retracement is normal. And if we then find acceptance again over this highs, then the chances are that we can reach the all-time high, and that's of course the last really interesting price target. And I think RNDR token is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and from the prices right now to the all-time high we would have a potential of 128%, and I think this is already a great deal on RNDR token. But RNDR token already moved very high. So if you compare RNDR token to other altcoins, it looks very bullish. So of course we already made massive gains in 2023, but the best coins in the crypto space are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think the chances are that RNDR will see even higher prices than the last all-time high. And to calculate a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are seeing this kind of price targets. And if we are having a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci level, we would have a potential target of $31. And I think this could be a potential price target for the next bull run in 2025. And if we have a look at a more conservative price target at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a potential price target of $14. And from the prices right now to this price target, we would have a potential of 260%. And I think this is already a great deal on RNDR. And again, RNDR is on place 54 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.4 billion. And the circulating supply is around 69%. And I think this is already a nice percentage. And if we have a look at the top 15 of all cryptocurrencies, we have Toncoin with $8 billion market cap. So from the RNDR market cap right now to this market cap, it would be around 5 to 6x. So I think this price target is very realistic. And the chance that we can see even higher prices is also there, especially if enough money from retailers and institutions comes into the crypto market. And if we have a look at the total crypto market cap, we are now seeing this bullish trend. And I think the chances are that we can continue this bullish move. And if the bull run really begins, the chance that we can also reach and explode over the last all-time high is very high. So the potential for very good altcoins like RNDR is also even higher. But of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. So we look now for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for RNDR token. And I think we already have a potential buy area right here, because we are clearly in a bullish trend. We broke this important supply zone to the upside. We are already retesting it and seeing this bullish move. And we build in potential higher low. So the chance that we now can continue to the upside is there. So if you're not invested in RNDR right now, I think this buy area is already a potential good zone for the long term. But if we are seeing lower levels for RNDR token, then I think this demand zone area is a great chance to buy RNDR, because this demand zone was the beginning of this push to the upside. So if we now could come back into this demand zone and don't see lower prices, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would definitely buy some coins right here for my long-term hodl portfolio. And from this price area to a potential price target of $14, we would have a potential of 500%. And I think this would be a very great deal for RNDR. So if we are answering the question from the beginning, how much will be 1000 RNDR token be worth in 2025? Then I think a realistic price target are the $14. So 1000 RNDR token would be worth 14,000. But I could imagine that we see even higher prices for RNDR token, because I think RNDR token is a very great project with very nice fundamentals. So I think it could be also possible that 1000 RNDR token are worth $30,000. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the price right now, and it also really depends if enough money comes into the crypto market from retailers and investors, and how RNDR token will evolve in the future. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like RNDR token, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2025 for RNDR token. If you want to see my Casper price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024-25. So feel free to check it out. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.